Let us know in the comments which dish from your favorite movie, book, or game we should cook next. We read all your comments. Today we're bringing the grandeur of Game of Thrones to your kitchen with a dish straight from the royal banquet table, pigeon pie. This decadent and theatrical dish is a must-have for any feast in Westeros, and we're putting a playful twist on it to make it safe for the modern kitchen. Step 1. Gathering ingredients. We'll start by gathering our ingredients: flour, butter, eggs, pigeon meat, or chicken as a safer alternative, and a mix of medieval spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Don't forget fresh herbs like thyme and parsley for a truly noble flavor. Step 2. Hunting the pigeons. Next up, it's time to hunt. Picture yourself as a Stark or a Baratheon, roaming the castle grounds with a trusty bow or slingshot. For modern cooks, your local butcher will do just fine. But where's the fun in that? Step 3. Preparing the crust. Now on to the crust. Mix flour, butter, and a pinch of salt, adding cold water until it forms a dough. Roll it out and line your pie dish, reserving some dough for an elaborate Westerosi-style lattice or sigil on top. Step 4. Creating the filling. Sauté pigeon or chicken meat with onions, garlic, and medieval spices in a pan over low heat. Add a splash of red wine for depth and sprinkle in fresh thyme and parsley. The aroma will transport you straight to the halls of King's Landing. Step 5. Adding the rich gravy. No noble pie is complete without a hearty gravy. Prepare a rich sauce by combining the juices from the sautéed pigeon or chicken meat with a splash of red wine, a sprinkle of flour for thickening, and a dash of cream for smoothness. Step 6. Assembling the pie. Layer the meat and filling into the crust, leaving space for the hidden surprise. Cover the pie with your reserved dough, crafting intricate patterns or a sigil of your choice. Make sure it looks fit for a Westerosi feast. Step 7. Baking the pie. Place the pie in a roaring wood-fired oven, or your modern oven, and bake until the crust is golden and flaky. As the pie bakes, the rich, savory aroma will fill your home, making it feel like the feast of the Red Keep. Step 8. The grand reveal. The moment of truth. Bring the pie to the table, slice into it, and watch as your guests react to the playful surprise inside. Pair it with a goblet of mulled wine, and you've got a dish worthy of the Iron Throne. Conclusion. And there you have it, your very own Game of Thrones pigeon pie. Whether you're hosting a feast or just indulging in some Westerosi fun, this dish is guaranteed to impress. So grab a goblet of wine, raise a toast to the Seven Kingdoms, and enjoy your royal creation. Valor Dohaeris.